Meet Artsy, your guide to the art world. Artsy is a recommendation-based chatbot with a graphical user interface designed for those interested in learning more about art. This is a project undertaken by Sara, Shahnoosh, and Shubhangi Singh, two graduate students in the Pratt School of Information. Through the advent of social media, a lot of fields have been democratized and made accessible. However, a lot of people still think of art as a space for the wealthy and the elite. Artsy aims to remove these barriers and make art accessible for everyone, whether it is a novice, a tourist new to the city, or an art enthusiast. In our preliminary research, we found that 75% of the participants used social media to find art inspiration and events. Therefore, we decided to make Artsy nested in Instagram, which was the most popular. The users could have a conversation with Artsy using its direct message feature.
Artsy has three main features. It lets users know more about an artwork through image or title search, and provides the backstory and hidden facts about the art piece. It allows users to discover art exhibitions in New York City. It gives daily art recommendations based on mood and art preferences. A lot of times in our daily life, walking in the streets, at a museum or a gallery visit, we see an art piece and want to learn more about it. We might even take a photo to look it up later. This feature is designed for those curious to learn more about an art piece. Users have the option to upload a photo or write the title of the art piece. Here, user can ask about the story or some hidden facts behind the art. The story is sent to user in separate messages to take away the burden of reading long text. A lot of times, people who are new to the city, or even those who have been here for a while, find it challenging to find new art events and keep themselves updated. This feature allows users to get art exhibitions based on specific interests and location. First, the bot let the user know that they have to answer a few questions. Users can select if they want to go to a historical or a modern exhibit, museum or a gallery, followed by a question on the time they'll be visiting and the location they prefer to go. A show is recommended based on previously asked questions, with a general overview. However, in the future, we would like to provide multiple results. User has the opportunity to get more in-depth information about the exhibit by reading the exhibition statement and visiting information. Lastly, our user is provided with a link to purchase tickets.
Many people want to learn more about art but find it very challenging to read history books or go to museums. This feature makes learning about art easy by providing daily recommendations. The recommendations come with interesting snippets and are based on the user's mood and preferences. Firstly, users are asked about how they are feeling, as emotions can affect the artwork that they like and relate to. Secondly, they can select whether they want to see a painting, sculpture, photograph, or a poem. Lastly, they can enter their art style preferences to make the recommendations more personalized to them. After knowing about the user's preferences, Artsy gives a personalized recommendation to them. Each recommendation comes with a story about the artwork to help users learn more and build their knowledge about the art world. We really enjoyed working on this project and learned a lot, especially through the process of user testing at various stages. In terms of the next steps, we would like to test it on a more diverse participant group so that we can get more inclusive training data and utterances. We would also like to add a feature which can automatically detect the location and also the ability to plan multiple exhibitions and build a route in Find an Exhibition feature. In Get a Recommendation feature, we would like to allow users to see sculptures and photographs as well as set their color preferences. In No More an Artwork, we would like to build a fully functioning image search capacity so that the user can take a picture of any artwork that he likes and the bot can then provide information to them.